Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn about Tableau Data Connector. So before going forward, I request to viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. So Tableau connect any flat file source, JSON file, Microsoft Excel or any Tableau server. You can see here the list of server available which connect with Tableau to your database. You can connect with Oracle, MySQL, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Google Cloud SQL, okay. Amazon Aurora for MySQL, Amazon Redshift, okay, any database or data warehouse. You can also connect with ODBC connection. So let's go to Microsoft Excel and connect because Microsoft Excel is common for every viewer. So let's demo with Microsoft Excel. So click on this Microsoft Excel and let's choose here dataset connection practice for our demo how to connect with Tableau. So let's click on this and now it's loaded into Tableau. So you can see here sheet available in Tableau. Here is order, people and return. You can drag this sheet name to here this canvas, dataset canvas. You can also drag this other sheet to this to join with the main data source. You can make here relationship. So for our simplicity, let's drag out. Okay, we will learn about relationship, join and data blending in upcoming video. So you can here rename your data source, for example my order data set. Okay, by default Tableau maintain live connection to your data source. A live connection is a direct connection to your data source. Okay, this is best if you want to leverage high performance database capability or if you want to change in a second to your data visualization. And if you want to here extract is a compressed snapshot of data stored in locally Tableau high performance memory. So let's click on this if you want to extract and click here to filter your data source. This is the first filter you can apply by using here add. Let's for example if you want to filter using market and click on if you want to only choose here for example AU European Union dataset. So click on this and now Tableau filter your data to only European region. You can see here in market by loading data only show in this data source only. So if you use here extract then it save data using hyper format. So let's click on this, already replaced, no problem. Now it's extracting data Tableau into .hyper format which is a high performance data for Tableau analysis. Okay, now if you drag this then you can see here European region. Now let's again go to here data source and choose here live connection. Okay, so here is the metadata format. If you want to see any information about data, here is the field name and this is the physical table. Okay, and remote source name if you want to change here. So let's collapse this, and if you want to change here column name you can using double click on this column or you can select here drop down and rename for example row ID. Okay, and you can see here name is changes in Tableau but not changes in original data source. Okay, here is the remote field name is row and in Tableau field name here is row ID. So let's again choose one of the more column here global area. This is the country name. So we want to change here, if we want to change here column name then click on this drop down and choose here country. Okay, and if you want to change here role you can also change here role as well. Select on this geographic role and choose here country and region. Okay, you can see here the sample data only 100 row and 24 field and 34194 is the total row. Okay, and you can also see here table name or sheet name. Now you can check here row data. Here is the country name and but in remote field name is global area. Now let's go to here sheet 1 You can also click on this drop down to see more options to transform your dataset. Duplicate, rename, hide, alias name. You can also create here set and group. We will learn this group and set in upcoming video. Okay, so please stay tuned and subscribe the channel. We will learn about parameter as well. Now clean this and you can create now visualization. Let's see here. Go drag this region and drag this cells into row to create here bar chart. Okay, here is the beautiful bar chart. So click on this and hide this card. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.